Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix stock download or update in Epic Games Launcher. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply try restarting your Epic Games Launcher by going into your task manager and then just ending the task right from here. So let me just go ahead and spot it and task. As you can see, once you've done that, go ahead and check your Epic Games server status. So Epic Games server status, just like that. Click on the first one, and then as you can see, it is operational. All of it is right away. And once you've done that, you will understand that it's not actually Epic Games but your PC. So simply go ahead and open command prompt and just run as administrator, just like that. And once you've done that, simply write net sh space winsock space reset, just like that. And once you've done that, go ahead and restart your computer and then go to your Wi-Fi or network settings, go to Ethernet or whatever you're connected through, go to DNS settings, and then it's going to look something like that on your screen. Change it to manual, turn on IPv4, preferred DNS, make it 8.8.8.8, and alternate DNS, make it 8.8.4.4, and click on save. Once you've done that, you should be okay. Go ahead and try updating or downloading it again. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.